Want to build strong customer loyalty for your business? In this video, we'll show you how to use Mailchimp for building customer loyalty without breaking the bank. Whether you're a small business owner or just looking to improve customer retention, Mailchimp can be a powerful tool. Stick around because we'll share some actionable tips to help you create deeper, more loyal connections with your customers. First off, Mailchimp isn't just for email campaigns. It's a complete marketing platform, and one of its key strengths is automation. This means you can set up automated email sequences that engage your customers at the right time with the right message effortlessly. For instance, if someone makes a purchase, you can automatically send them a thank you email and a discount on their next purchase. It's like having a personal relationship manager that never sleeps. Next thing, let's talk about personalization. Customer loyalty grows when people feel like you're speaking directly to them. Mailchimp allows you to segment your audience based on behavior, preferences, and previous purchases. This means you can send tailored content and offers, increasing the chances of repeat business. For example, if a customer buys a specific product, you can send them personalized recommendations for related items. Personalization builds trust and shows that you understand your customers' needs. The third thing is using Mailchimp's powerful analytics to track your campaigns. With Mailchimp, you can dive into data about what your customers are engaging with. Whether it's emails, landing pages, or ads, understanding the metrics will help you fine-tune your approach. For instance, if you see a certain email is getting more opens, you can learn from that and replicate what worked. This makes your marketing more effective and keeps your customers engaged. Now, let's talk about loyalty programs. Mailchimp makes it easy to create and manage customer loyalty programs. You can offer rewards to customers who make repeat purchases or share your brand with friends. This incentivizes customers to keep coming back, creating a cycle of loyalty and advocacy. You can even send automatic emails notifying them of their rewards or milestones, keeping them engaged. The fifth thing to mention is that Mailchimp can help you keep customers informed and engaged through regular newsletters. Regularly sharing valuable content, updates, and exclusive offers makes customers feel like they're part of something special. When customers see your brand in their inbox consistently, it keeps your business top of mind. You can use Mailchimp's design tools to create visually appealing newsletters that grab attention and encourage interaction. Finally, creating strong customer loyalty isn't just about selling. It's about providing value beyond the transaction. With Mailchimp, you can set up post-purchase follow-ups to ensure customers are satisfied with their purchase and offer them additional value. This could be in the form of helpful tips, related product recommendations, or even customer service follow-ups. This personal touch shows your customers that you care and helps build trust over time. And as I mentioned, you can try Mailchimp for free using the first link in the description below, and we've secured an exclusive bonus offer just for you. So, if you're looking to strengthen customer loyalty and boost your sales, don't miss out on this opportunity to use Mailchimp risk-free. Remember, building customer loyalty doesn't happen overnight, but with the right tools like Mailchimp, you'll be well on your way. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to grab your extended free trial through our link below. Start building those lasting customer relationships today.